Before we talk about the cornrow itself, let's learn the basics. All braids start here, be it box braids, knotless braids, cornrow braids, like it is the case here. So, we are going to take a small piece of hair and separate it in 3 sections as equal as possible, like so. I am right-handed, so it is easier for me to start with the right hand. It does not change anything if you are left-handed. I hold the piece of hair closest to my right hand first. I place my middle finger down, then hold the middle piece of hair with the same hand. The middle finger separates the two and also serves as anchor to make the braid strong. I then hold the last piece of hair with the left hand. I place the middle finger from the left hand at the back of the piece of hair in the middle, then use my index finger on that same left hand to go behind that middle piece of hair and grip the piece of hair on the other side. I know this explanation might sound even more confusing, so just feel free to mute this video if it helps you understand. That is basically all I do. Rotate, place the middle finger down, grip the hair on the other side through the back, place the middle finger down again, grip the hair on the other side through the back, and so on and so forth. You are just going to notice that the braid is forming itself. Let's start over. I am just going to shut up and let you watch. You are probably not going to get this right from the first attempt. I don't think anyone does, so don't give up. Keep practicing. Now let me show you the hack I use to add hair so it forms a cornrow. After taking out the starting piece of hair, I separate the remaining hair in two so that my hand can fit perfectly, like so. I know a lot of people place their hands side by side, but I can't. That doesn't work well for me. Let me bring this closer in for you to see. I do the basic step a couple of times, but it is only when I come back to starting point. That is when I have 2 pieces of hair in my right hand, that I take out hair from the bulk and add it to the piece of hair in the middle, like so. Once I add the hair, I just keep braiding and come back to starting position. Then I add more hair to another piece of hair, and so on and so forth. That is basically it. The hand I place right at the back of my head, like so, helps me separate the hair and helps me keep control over the amount of hair that I am adding. This has the added advantage that my braids do not pull on the scalp. We used to practice this a lot when we were children. Like we just sit in the field and just start braiding grass, the poor grass. By the time we leave that place, we would have braided everything, every grass that we can see. Braid a braid, then braid another braid over braids. Like it's just practice that is going to make you understand this. My clients are always shocked when they see the way I braid. They're like, what? Why do you place your hands like that? But they're always surprised. It doesn't hurt. They don't feel any pain. It's not pulling. So that is my own contribution to the growth of this community. I hope you liked the video. And like I always say, things are definitely going to change for you soon. They can never stay this bad. Take care. Bye.